If you have overripe plantain, don't waste it. Let's make something good out of it. Today we're making ripe plantain pizza. Guys, this was delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. So these are my ripe plantains. I used 3 and then I went ahead and peel it. I transfer it in my earthenware and then I grounded it. So if you don't have it, you can just transfer it into a big bowl and use a fork to mash it. But this makes it more simple and much easier. So mash it until smooth. Few lumps is okay, and go in with eggs. I'll leave whatever that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the eggs are added, go ahead and mix all everything together till well combined, and then we move to the next step. So this recipe is very simple. That's what you're looking for. The next step is to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to your saucepan and then go in with the plantain and then the eggs. Cover it, make sure you spread it well, cover it and then let it cook for from 6 to 8 minutes. At this point, make sure you lower the fire and then let it cook slowly until it is ready. Like you can see from the surface of the plantain that it is ready. Then go in with your filling or with your topping. That's very simple. It is easy. In my case, I used sausage and then I added in some bell peppers and I'm good to go. Lastly, I sprinkle grated cheese on it, and this is optional. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, very easy. Cover it and then let it cook for like 7 minutes more, from 5 to 7 minutes more. So as you can tell from the video that the cheese was getting melted. Let it cook until you get to this point. And guys, this is it. It's very simple, very easy, and it turned out delicious, guys. Just look at that. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, just look at it. This was delicious. My son was all over it. Especially if you're a ripe plantain lover, you definitely love this amazing recipe. Just look at it, guys. It was delicious. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Wow, wow, and wow. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well.